Imagine controlling a computer just by moving your hands. No mouse, no keyboard, just natural gestures like you're conducting an orchestra. That's exactly what gesture controls in XR are all about. And if you're new in this world, don't worry. I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. So, what exactly are gesture controls? Think of them like teaching your computer to understand sign languages. When you're making a specific handshake, like thumbs up or pinching your fingers together, the computer recognizes that pattern and does something in response. In XR, this happens in real time as you move around in 3D space. Here is why this matters. Traditional controllers feel clunky when you're in a virtual world. Your brain expects your hand just work. Research shows that gesture-based interactions are becoming the dominant focus in XR development, with nearly half of all XR research projects now focusing on hand gestures and natural human-computer interaction. Plus, gesture controls open up XR to people who might struggle with complex button combinations. It's just more intuitive. Let's peek under the hood, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Your XR device uses cameras and sensors to track different points on each hand. Think of them like digital dots on your knuckles and fingertips. Unity's XR hands package takes this raw data and compares it to gesture templates you created. When your hand matches a template, like making a fist, it triggers an event, just like clicking a button would. Ready to try this yourself? Here's the easiest way to get started. First, install Unity XR Hands package through the package manager. It's free and officially supported. Next, add the XR hand tracking events component to any game object. This is like creating a listener that waits for specific hand shapes. Finally, create your gesture by configuring a hand shape asset. Unity provides common ones like pinch and point, or you can record your own custom gestures. Here are 3 golden rules that'll save you hours of preparation. First, make the gesture feel natural. If it's awkward to hold, users won't want to do it. Second, provide visual feedback immediately. Show users their gesture were recognized with haptics, sounds, or visual cues. Third, always include gesture tutorials in your app. Even simple gestures like pinching are obvious to everyone. Gesture controls are just the beginning. The latest research shows we are moving forward full spatial computing, where your entire body becomes the interface. Want to dive deeper? I've linked Unity's official XR Hands documentation. And hey, if you build something cool with gesture control, share it in our Discord. I love seeing what this community creates. See you next time.